Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. In today's video, we will be replacing a master cylinder cap. To achieve this, we will need the master cylinder cap and the master cylinder cap gasket. Once you are ready for the installation, carefully remove the items from their individual packaging. Ensure that you buy the correct master cylinder cap and master cylinder cap gasket for your car make and model. After that, carefully install the gasket into the cap. Once that is done, install the cap on the master cylinder reservoir. Ensure that it fits tight and snug. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.